7:50. May mga nagtitinda eh. Nintay ko yung fada. Nintay ko yung idli daw. Sana dumaan. Balik tulog ulit. Okay. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Ayaw niya na binibidyohan ko siya. Kapag nakatutok sa kanya yung camera, ayaw na niya. Good morning, princess. Ayaw na niya. Okay. Simula ng pagbiyahe namin at pag-uwi namin, safe na din yung gamit namin. Siya lang yung nakapagbihis eh. Ang hirap na magbihis-bihis sa CR kasi maliit lang yung CR. So hindi na kami magbibihis. Ano na, 9:20 na, and alas 4 yung dating namin sa Bangalore. Dito pa lang kami guys, oh, Perambur. 2,333 ano na kilometers yung aming nabiyahe. Dito pa tayo. SMVB Bengaluru, a total of 2,684 kilometers yung biyahe from Patna to Bangalore. Yan, play Lola. Pinapahirapan niya si mama. Akyat, baba, akyat, baba. Other side. Go to Lolo. Oh, careful. Sus. Enough na. Video chatting with a fam bam. Yung kuya ko kasi guys, dumating na din siya. Say hello. 1 veg and 1 non-veg ba ya?
Egg curry? Only veg meals.
Okay. Thank you. Yan na yung aming lunch. Veg, saka non-veg. Ito naman kay Mishka. Eat your food. Come on. 1 rice. Come on, eat na. Ito kami nag-stop over guys sa... Yes! Arakunam Junction. Tapos dun sa kabila meron din local train. Andun lumabas si Papa. You don't wanna go to Lolo? Si Papa nagpapahinga po. Go. Where is Lolo? Go that side. Go side. Look at Lolo. Ito si Lolo pa yan.
Yoyo is there!
Yoyo, come here. We'll go now. The sun, I'm gonna guess.
Toto is sleep blue.
Okay. Oh, come on na. Fast, nice. Okay. Exhibition sa gani. Okay. Side. Wait. Wait. Wow. Okay.
I'll try it.
Again, one last. Wow. Okay. Done. Go up. Bye-bye to Lulu na. Lulu is there. Go. Oh, it's moving now. Pati nagada sa bang kilid na. Go.
Lulu.
Oh, ala. Call Lulu na.
Light is off.
Light is off. Light is on.
Light is off.
On. Say Lulu, come back. Lulu. Anim pa na station mula dito yung aming dadaanan guys. Before kami dumating sa Bangalore.
Now.
Diba, nagtambay-tambay. Pa! Ano na pang? Yay! Go inside na, nanirbato na. Ano kalaba na yan, be?
Wala ba? Layo ka na kay Manang
Ang haba ng train na to. Hanggang doon pa sa kabila, oh.
It's nice soda.
Soda? Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Soda's store. Soda's store. Soda's store.
Tos?
I told you that.
It will fall.
Yoda?
Oh, hala. Then you can't have it back. Go sleep there na. Time to sleep na. Yung nangko-collect ng bayad sa pagkain nandiyan na.
Mommy!
Bayad kami. Thank you. Give me the money. Uncle is there na. We'll pay Uncle money.
Uncle money.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yung meals dito sa loob ng train, affordable lang naman siya. Yes. So yung pagkain namin since yesterday na lunch, dinner, and then kanina umaga ba? Or 3 meals na. Ay wait, hindi. Dinner, lunch, kahapon, 4 meals. Pang-apat yung ngayong lunch. Meron kaming non-veg na 2. So, nabayaran ko lang is nasa ano lang, 720. So, affordable na. Sa aming 3 na yan, ha. 12:23 na ng tanghali. Matutulog kami. Isang tulog na lang. 4 or 5 na stations pa. And then, sa Bangalore na kami. Are you excited to meet Daddy? Really? Nandito pa rin kami guys sa Arakunam Junction. Sabi na nasa Chennai daw ito kasi katapos lang niya tumawag. Kasi ang tagal na namin dito, more than 1 hour na kami dito. Pero sabi niya, medyo matagal talaga yung stopover dito. Junction. After nito, parang 3 stasyon na lang bababa na kami. 4 pa pala. 4 na station. Ay, nag-iyo naman. Lakso ito guys. Meron kaming baon. Kompleto. Kain tayo. You're what? You will play on the grass. Okay. Naghuhugas siya ng kanyang kamay. Dito yung toilet guys. Tapos dito sa kabila meron ding toilet. Si Mishka dito naghuhugas ng kamay. Yan, pintuan na yan. What's that? So, very good. Come on. Finish washing your hands na. Oops. Last station, nagbababa na kami. Ginagala ko lang ito si Mishka kasi kanina pa siya paikot-ikot sa kama. Slowly. Nakababa na kami, guys. Come on. Go. Goodbye, choo-choo train. Bye, choo-choo train. Come here this side, love. Labas na kami. Goodbye, choo-choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo. Sa gitna kami eh. Ang haba. Ayan. Ganito kahaba, guys. Kanina pa kami nasa ano. Nasa gitna kami kanina. Ang haba pa oh. Last station na yung pupuntahan nito. Kami yung second to the last eh. So ayan. Yan na yung ano, katapusan. Bye, choo-choo train. Bye! Nag-flying kiss pa si Mishka sa choo-choo train. Bye! Okay, come on, let's go.
Choo-choo train is doing.
Okay, hold mama hand. Ato sa piyak.
Choo-choo train is
It's over na kami and we are 10 minutes away from home. You want to see daddy now? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, go see daddy. 10 minutes. Parating na kami ng bahay. Who is that? We're home. It's okay. Bye na may nabilin, Papang. Let's go. Sige rin, Pang. Mishka! Don't run. Come on. There's Scar. Come on. Hold mama. Daddy akong bag, mang. Bugat, mang. We're home. She missed her playground, her house. We'll go home first. You play tomorrow. Naidlaw sa sang iyangan. Mga pagoda. So we are back. We have completed 2,600 plus kilometers. Ha? 2,600 plus kilometers from north of India to South India or dito sa Bangalore, Patna to Bangalore. So it's an experience, once in a lifetime experience from north to south na pagbiyahe by train. 2,600 kilometers ang ginbiyahe ta. Halin sa north, pakadto ka sa south sang India. 2 days and 2 nights na pagbiyahe. Ay, naka. Nakakapagod na biyahe. Pero it's fun. 2,600 plus. Good job, princess. Nilagyan yung chinelas. Welcome home. Glitter, glitter. Come on, go inside, inside, inside. Happy face. Welcome home. We're oh, ay, this one gali oh. Pickles. Pickles. Ang daming pickles na bit-bit eh. This one.
Grabe, no?
Grabe.
Teacher.
You asked her what's the name of her school.
What is school name of school, baby?
That is cool.
Ay?
Nice to touch cool.
Oh, my goodness. Look here. Do you know that I missed you? I missed
Nag-early out sabi guys. Alas 5 pa na. Andito na siya sa bahay. Now it's 7:38.
I want to have. I want to have.
Daddy, daddy.
Say it. Daddy, Daddy, pasalubong from Daddy Chi. Come here! Give this to Daddy! So, may pasalubong ba? Show Daddy your toys. This one. He asked Mama to buy this. And this one. Surbi mixer. Yeah, I was thinking while you were talking to them that Surbi is asking for some mixture. Mama said no. The Surbi brand. This one, half Bangalore, half Philippines. Ito yung mga homemade na papad ni Mami. Half, dadalhin nila yung Mama sa Pilipinas, half dito sa akin. Ang dami nito. That's it. Ari, I bought this because I like that. Daddy is eating his pasalubong na. Ito yung homemade na gawa ni Mami, guys. Yung ginawa nung isang araw. Yung parang empanada sa atin. Isang plastic, sabi ni Mami, para kay Abhi. Para sa pinakamamahal niyang anak. Ito sana, para sa tray namin. Napasok pala siya sa loob ng maleta. So, hindi na siya namin nakain. Ang dami naming pang snacks ngayon. And then, another pasalubong. Yung hindi mawawala kapag umuwi kami sa Patna is yung pickles. Homemade pickles ni Mami. So, meron dito isa. But ibang klase to eh. Tapos, dito naman ay this is jackfruit pickles. This is red chili. And this one is the whole garlic and chili. But it will take some time. Keep this now because Mama said that she just made this recently. So, we'll use this next time. Yan. And then, marami pa kaming natira na, na kachori. And maganda din to kasi nagsistay talaga ito siya. So, ito, meron pa. Isang plastic pa. So, iniisip ko din na magtitira ako nito kasi alam ko na nami-miss ni Abhi yung luto ng kanyang mami. So, ayan, meron kaming natira dyan. And then, this knife, this green knife, we have to return it back. This also.
How was your experience, huh?
It's good. They said that it will be tiring. Really? Because it's AC. Itlog, mataguro doon na itlog. We miss eating egg. We miss eating non-veg. Come on, let's eat. Daddy is eating. What can you say? Mommy is cooking. Amo na ginaluto nila kahit hindi ni dasig mapanos.
It cannot be expressed in words.
Okay, naidlaw na sa sangluto ni Mami. Alam ko na, ito yung mamimiss ni Abhi, yung pagkain ng Mami niya. Yan talaga yung kanyang mamimiss.
Yes, too.
Are you sad?
No, I was excited that they were coming.
Tama na, I will cook egg. Mamit.
So you order? Why? How?
Just today, like scrambled egg. Scrambled egg. Yes, he will cook it. Nashock ako pagpasok dito sa loob ng kwarto. Mayroon siyang mga orders. Sabi ko, bakit mayroong mga box dito? Sabi niya, para sa'yo yan. O, diba? Bongga yung naghihintay na salubong sa atin sa pag-uwi ng Bangalore. Nakaligo din kami after 2 days sa train. Feeling fresh na ulit. Buksan natin yung mga box dito. Na-open ko na yung una. So, ito na lang yung mga order ni Daddy for me. Miss na miss. Ang dami niyang order pag dating ko. Come here, Daddy. Beside me na.
I could my hair.
What's this?
Huh? What?
Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I've been thinking to buy this and also the toner. There is toner also. Si Abhi talaga, nababasa niya kung ano yung nasa isip ko. You can read my mind. Ever since talaga yan. Hindi lang yan ngayon, guys. Like, kung ano yung iniisip ko, Ano, basta ewan ko, nagkakatugma talaga yung isip namin. This one. When did it arrive?
Yesterday.
For Cetaphil products ata ito ah. This one naman.
Moisturizer.
Moisturizer. Moisturizing lotion. Cetaphil.
Yes, it's my lotion.
Are we going to promote Cetaphil now?
Yes, mommy.
What do you call it? Scent is skin is
Yes,
scented.
mommy.
Yeah, for Mishka also it is good.
Yes, mommy.
Yes, love.
Even for lotion. Sabi niya, gamitin ko na yung Cetaphil ni Mishka para dalawa na kami ni Mishka yung magamit sa Cetaphil. Kasi nakaka-dry talaga yung weather ngayon.
And this is for Mishka and mommy. Come here. Come
Which
here. I'll
one?
show you something.
This one. Oh, you open this? Close it?
Slowly.
Come on.
This is for Mimi and Mishka both.
What's that? Let me see. What is that? Let me see.
Nail paint.
Next page.
Nail paint! Di ba mahilig siya ngayon mag-nail polish? And bumalik na ako sa pag-nail polish ko.
Okay.
Uy, hala. Baby, let me see. Meron kaming bagong nail polish ni Mishka.
For you also.
With
like-
5 different colors.
Find this color.
Show them now which color is that. First, there is yellow. Hold and then show them.
What is yellow?
One is yellow and then show them na first.
Mommy.
Orange. Show them in the camera. Show in the camera. Show in the camera. This one, the pink one. This one.
Pink.
Pink.
Yellow. Orange. Green. And purple.
Wow. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Love, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy, for our nail polish. Pampa-beauty yung in-order niya sa amin.
I'm putting on nail
And yung kanina, nabuksan ko na guys. Sa mga sentimental, ayaw niyang ipakita. So, yan yung aming unboxing. I can use this now na?
Yeah. This is for skincare.
For stick.
Don't open now, okay? Tomorrow.
Thank you,
okay?
Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. How much is that? How much is that? Okay, slowly. Put that in our box, lab. We'll start collecting our nail polish now, okay? 9:03 pa lang. Pero matutulog na kami. Kasi tomorrow, may duty na naman sila ni Abhi sa ano. Duty. Ay, wala, Daddy. Oh, it's coming out.
Why is coming out?
Oh, no. Yes.
Do it with finger. Do it with finger.
Okay, wait.
If you do, mommy, do figure.
Okay, wait. Oh, yeah. Good job, Daddy.
Okay.
Yun nga, guys, kasi bukas, mag-duty sila ni Abhi for the election. Ay, again, it's coming up. So, tomorrow night, you won't be home, Daddy?
No, I have to stay at the center.
Same as usual. Last time, ganun din. Buti na lang, it's good that the timing was perfect, huh? So, come on, we'll say goodnight to them na.
Good night.
Thank you for watching.
Flashing is that inside.
Bye.
Bye.